Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the Adult ADHD Self-Report Scale template. What is an Adult ADHD Self-Report Scale? Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder is a type of developmental disorder. Those who have it tend to have trouble keeping their attention for too long, and this also happens frequently. Those with ADHD may also become hyperactive and impulsive from time to time. Sometimes, if not properly managed, ADHD can negatively impact a person's daily life and overall mental health. Specifically, those with ADHD may have frequent mood swings, become easily frustrated, become restless and jump from one activity to another, have trouble completing a task or activity, have a hard time prioritizing something, tend to be disorganized, unable to plan well or as well as they'd like, get easily stressed and have trouble coping, tend to interrupt others and talk excessively, need to be on the move every now and then. It is common for ADHD to be diagnosed during childhood, so once individuals enter the adult phase of their life, it's common for them to be able to manage the symptoms of ADHD and live normally without the disorder becoming a disruption to daily life. However, many people get diagnosed later on in their lives, in which case this test is a great way to pinpoint symptoms and present indicators of whether an individual has ADHD. This test may prompt further treatment as it is not a sole diagnosis tool. As a result, it's commonly used by psychologists and therapists. However, given that it is a self-report scale, anyone can use. How to use an adult ADHD self-report scale. The first step is to distribute the scale to the client and fill in the name and date. The client will then need to rate each statement. Finally, incorporate the results within treatment. To view a sample template of the Adult ADHD Self-Report Scale, head on over to carepatron.com where you can download and access it for free. You can also access the template through the Carepatron community. Type in the keywords and edit the scale however you wish. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos.